Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, November the 13th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cypherblock. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. So it's a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, the first one. 9584. 9584. Let me put this here. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. No. Yeah, 25 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, the publisher has indicated this with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle. 20 to 30 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so the question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Well, how about? Let me see. 3, 2. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 there. Need an 8 here. Need a 4 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 8 should be there. Need a 3 here. Let me see. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places level 8 should be here. Or there we have 8 in this column, first column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8, 8. Need an 8 there, so we need an 8 here. Well, in this row, middle row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. Here coming in 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. The only place level 8 should be there. 293. Okay, and now. Now. Need 1 here. Yeah. 2. 2. Need a 7. How about the 6? We have a pair. The 6 and the 8 in this column. This 6 and 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places level 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and the 9. Let me mark those. Alright, 2, 9 and the 3. Okay. Let me think. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes and there. 1, 1. Need a 9 there. 9 here. 1, 5, 7. Let me think. 117 8. No. 44 44. Well, 239. I'm thinking. 6. Yeah. What's happening? 4. Need a 4 there, yes. In this row, first row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here or there in the first row. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there then. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. I'm thinking. 4, need a 4 there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Okay. Then 6. 6. 6. Well. 1. 6. Thinking. 2. Yes, in this big square, we need a 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this last row, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 9. Okay. 9. We have a pair. The 9 and the 7 in this column. The 9 and the 7 in the middle column. So the column next. Now only 2 places left. 9 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and 7. We have a 9 in the third one. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and 5 is missing. 2 and 5. 2 numbers left now in the last row for number 1. The 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5. Oh, wait. Need a 3 there. No 9 here. No 9. 9. Need a 9 there. Okay, in this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only place left 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above from that row. The only 2 places left 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. 2. 2. Come on. Need a 9 there. How about? Need a 1 here. We have a pair. The 1 and the 7 in this row. The 1 and the 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7. In this row, we need an 8. Well, these 3 boxes can be an 8 because we have 8 in this big square. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this row should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 6. 6. And I need a 2, and I need a 5. Wow. Come on. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Then need a 2 here. We have a pair, the 2 and the 3 in the last row, the 2 and the 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So one digit left in this row for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between the only place left 1 should be there. 5, 6, and 7. Need a 1 here. Well, in this row, the second row, we need a 1. Here can be 1 because we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the 1 in the second row could be here, here, or there. Here, here, or there. We see another 1 in this column, no 1 there. Another 1 in the column next, so no 1 there. The only place left 1 in the second row should be there. 1, 1. Yeah. How about, need 4 there. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. So the other 3 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Need a 3 here. And the 4 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 3, 4, 9. Here can be 4. So the 3 and the 9. 3, 9, and I need a 2 in this row. Well, the 2 could be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, 2 in the third column, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this third row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, need a 2 there. In this column, last column, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. So the only place left the 2 in the last column should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 5 and the 6. Okay. 3 and the 2 numbers left in this first row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Well. Then 8, 9, 3, 4, and the 5, 4. 2, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 7. We have 2 and 7 in the third row, so no 2 and 7 in these two boxes. 2 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 2, 7 and 2. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. So 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing here. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only place level 6 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, we already have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3, 4, 9. Well, we have 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 4 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. Then, Well, 4 and a 6, we have 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final two numbers, well, final. These two missing numbers, 7 and 5, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One box left now in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the cell column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, not a 3, but let me give this a 2 stars. Otherwise, if I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it should be a 1 star. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.